Okay, Julians, we're going to be playing Snowbrawl. Now, this is my character, Jimmy Whoop Whoop. As you can see, you move easily with the keyboard, so up, down, left, right, and you need to have a mouse. You can see I'm moving my snowball cannon with my mouse. So you spin that around and you can aim. Oh my goodness, I found somebody hiding behind the rock. You click the mouse and you fire the snowballs. Hopefully, oh my goodness, there's Hedwig again. I shouldn't really stand here and try to hit her with a snowball because I'm a teacher and teachers don't do evil things, but I tried to. And now she's running away. Poor Hedwig. Now, you start the game with about 16 snowballs, but every time you fire a snowball, you have fewer. So eventually, you're going to run out. Oh, there's my teammate. Okay, don't snowball your teammates. Okay, your enemies will be in red. Your teammates will be in green. Oh my goodness, there's another wonderful student who I can knock out. Archbishop 777. Oh no, sorry. But you can see I only have 3 snowballs left. So eventually, I'm going to have to start answering some questions. Can I find any more victims before then? I hope so. I hope so. There's nothing better for a teacher than throwing snowballs at students. It's the very, very best thing. Oh, no, I need to answer some questions. There's nobody around. Right. You start answering just like normal. Okay. Click the best definition or click the correct answer. Oh, my goodness, I can see some people in the background. I'm going to get snowballed. Oh, no. Okay, so now I've got 12 snowballs. So I need to keep answering questions to gain more snowballs. But don't waste your snowballs like I'm doing right now because it's a terrible idea. So, key things to remember. You need to have a computer because you need to have a mouse. Without a mouse on a tablet, it's very, very difficult. You move around with the keyboard. When you run out of snowballs, you answer questions by clicking the question thing at the bottom. When you want to fire snowballs, you click the snowball thing at the bottom like I just did. That's it. Have a great time and don't throw snowballs at me.